Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Markam and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I gonna show you how to cubes of beef meat, right? How to cubes of beef meat. It's very simple. It's very simple, which I'm telling to you guys. You just have to follow this thing. It's very simple to make a cubes of any kind of meat, not only of the beef. Any kind of meat you can make a cube, right? So let's start. Today, guys, I'm gonna show you how to beef cubes. So it's the thigh part of beef. So it's a very big part, right? So it's a boneless meat. So I wanna show you how to cubes the beef. So let's start. So I will cut from here because I want a cube. So I will keep this one aside. So you can see it's like a fillet one. So I will cube this one. So I will just put a line. So you can see. So I will cube this all beef. So you can see how to cube this one. So you can see guys, it's the cube of beef meat. So here as well as I have to do same these things. When you are cutting anything same like red meat, so of course you have to always follow this red chopping board with red knife because we are cutting the red meat, right? So it's a very important if you are working in a five-star hotel. So follow these things. If you are cutting any red meat item, so always use the red chopping board. It's very important, right, in a five-star hotel because we have a color coding chopping board. So always remember this kind of things if you are cutting any red meat items. So this is the process of five-star hotel. This is the procedure we have to follow always these things, right? So again I have to cut this leg part of beef because I want to make a cube. If you are cutting red meat there is a too much fat, so it create the problem little bit, not more, but it's a depend to your knife. When your knife is too much sharp, so you will be not in a trouble to cut the any kind of area of red meat, white meat. It's a depend to the knife. When your knife is too much sharp, so you cannot be in a trouble, right? So this is the thing which I want to tell you guys. So you can see of my cube, and always carry the gloves, right? Always carry when you are cutting any red meat items, and always carry gloves with your hand. And when you will finish anything of red meat, so make sure you have to wash your hand with a liquid soap because in the red meat too much bacteria. It's very harmful for our health. So always remember these things. It's a very common thing.